Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making chicken wraps for dinner, and this is what it looks like. So in this pounder, I added bell pepper, green, red, and orange bell pepper, garlic, habanero pepper, green onions, and 1 chili pepper. You don't have to add that much pepper if you don't want it super spicy, but I love spice, so I added all of that. So here I'm pounding it. This is a pestle or mortar, whatever, however you say it, but I'll just call it a pounder. This is it all pounded up, mashed up. I cut up chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs, into strips. You can use chicken breast. That's what I would prefer, but I'm just using what I have. Here I'm adding vinegar, and I added a little bit of salt. This is garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and black pepper. You can just season it with whatever you like. And this is beef bouillon, and then this is the pounded up paste. I just use half of it because if I had used all of that, it would have been way too spicy. And that's olive oil, and this is Dijon mustard. I was basically running out of it. If you have more, then you can add more than that. So basically just season it to your liking. You're too hard, Evie. Don't do anything crazy. The nurse aiding and helping you pass your income, then after that, our responsibility to you is done. So find a place that she's gonna take to California, earn, what are you? You need to breathe. Mom, I don't think you want to be over there. There's not a bubble up here. Wow, I got that on camera. That's cool. Anyways. Steady, go! Star. What a star. Let's see how fast you can go this. It's like at every level, the kind of opportunities that poor people have are inferior. Yeah. Like have people in all the rooms, so you're not overworking. They have a medical center on campus. It's a little clinic or whatever, but they offer so many services. They're like, you guys take advantage because you're paying for this. They offer mental health services, like a therapist and all that. They got clarification.
Yep, you're welcome.
We are going, man. For that being our OWT out. I'm making a sauce to go on the wraps. This is mustard. If I had Dijon mustard, I would have used that, but this was the only mustard I have. And then I had ketchup, sriracha, yogurt, and some olive oil. And you're just gonna mix this up. And I added a little bit of vinegar off camera as well. Just season it to your liking, and trust me, this is gonna be good. Like, it is. And then I washed some lettuce and cut it up. And then here's basically everything ready for people to eat.